Welcome! In front of me I have Mobvoi TicWatch GTX and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. First, or before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Mobvoi application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the Mobvoi application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see your TicWatch GTX on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. And here make sure that the option called Share System Notifications is enabled. If you don't see this option right here in this menu, you can close the settings for now. Open the Mobvoi application, tap on Devices, tap on Smart Reminder, and here turn on notifications. Just turn them off and on, and once you turn them on, wait a couple of seconds and you should see the pop-up about the permissions. And once you see it, allow the required permissions, and once you do, you can go back to the settings. And here you should see the option now and make sure it's enabled. Once this option is enabled, go back to settings, scroll down through the list of options and apps and find the Mobvoi application. It's gonna be somewhere here. Once you find it, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Mobvoi application. In the app we can tap on Devices, wait until the watch is done connecting to your phone, tap on Smart Reminder, and here turn on or off the notifications you like. You can turn them on for call notifications, SMS alert, vibration alert, and app alert. Calls, of course, it's the notifications for calls. Next we have the messages, so SMS alerts. The vibration alert, I'm not sure what it is, but I think it's the reminder about the movement. So basically, if you sit sit still for too long, it will remind you to move around. And the app alert is for the apps. So basically, if you enable this, it will forward the notifications from the applications to your watch, and you will see them on your watch. Okay, and once you're done customizing this, you can close the app. And now you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. I'm gonna remove it, but if you miss it on your watch, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the message or notification menu and check them. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.